inilabas na feature si Binance, no? So, yan yung Binance supports Philippine Peso. So, buy crypto with PHP at 0 fees, no? Makikita natin. Ayan, 0 transaction fees. And kung pupunta tayo dito sa Binance account ko, gagawin natin yan. Bibili tayo ng BTC. Titingnan natin kung walang fees, no? And makikita natin dito sa BTC dashboard ko. 1,093 sats. And makikita natin. And try natin yung features at based na din to sa feedback ng ating community, no? So mga nagtatanong, ito na yung steps or ito yung guides kung paano. So yeah, it's my personal account naman at I do cost averaging na din dito kay BTC. So this video, yung purpose ng video na to is for steps or tutorials or for educational, no? Sa mga nagtatanong nga. Ayun, basically, ito, buy with cash lang tayo. Ito makikita natin, guys. And then, P2P. So, kanina nag-transact na ako. So, kung first time mo lang, basically, punta ka lang naman dito. And then, after that, short mo to. Punta ka dito, and then, PHP, ayan. Then, after that, tap confirm lang. So, ayan. So, ganyan. So, yan yung mga available providers or merchants na makikita natin. BTC, USD, something like this is for improvement pa naman to. Wala pa yung EOS, BUSD, BNB. So ito, Binance and USDT yung available as of the moment. And meron akong recent order kanina. Good thing dito, guys, is napaka-responsive nung support ni Bloom Solutions, no? At kung meron tayong naiwan dyan na order, makikita natin dito may notifications and may progress notifications, pwede nating i-check. And itatransact ko na to, guys, no? Yung minimum pala dito, guys, is something like 0.0106 or 0.5 na. It depends sa BTC price ng current price, no? So worth 100 USD yung minimum payment to be made, no? So merong time dyan kung ilang minutes, and then after that is kakopy lang natin to, yung mga recipient na yan. And then as of the moment kasi, guys, Paymaya yung gamit ko. And ayan, so app sa cellphone to, kaya nag-write in ako kanina sa support ni Bloom. Good thing naman, binigay nila yung details, no? So transact na natin yan dito sa Paymaya. Bank transfer lang tayo. So yun bank yung kailangan dito, or yung bank account ni Bloom Solutions, no? So ayan, yun yung Bank of the Philippines. And then 5,042.36. So 5,042.36, no? Ayan. Then account number. So close natin yan. So bank card ito. And then paste lang natin. And then first name. So ibinigay naman nila doon sa support chat nila. Good thing responsive yung support nila, guys. So and Bloom Solutions, no? Big letter lahat. Bloom Solutions. Tama ba? So double check. Bloom Solutions, no? And then initial C for middle name. And then last name nila is Incorporated, INC. So mobile number, pwede mong ilagay daw dyan yung mobile number mo na lang. Pero and trade at Bloom.solutions, no? So yeah, purpose na lang natin is to transfer by BTC. Yan, okay na yan. Double check natin yung mga details na inilagay natin dito, guys. So ayan, kung bank account yung gamit mo or bank transfers, meron namang instructions dyan. Yung details na kailangan mailagay is andyan naman. So ayan, itatap natin yung transferred next once na ma-continue natin to, no? So, continue na natin. I think okay naman lahat ng details, no? So, ayan, Bloom Solutions C Incorporated. And, double check natin yung message, Bloom Solutions C Incorporated. And, okay na yan. Tap send na. So, ayan, money transfer transactions na. Pwede natin screenshot yan. And then, balik tayo doon. So, yep. Ito yung kagandahan, guys. Meron silang responsive support ng Bloom X. So, yeah, confirm na natin yan. And to be released, no? And, so, merong time frame na nakalagay. 14 minutes. And, pwede kang mag-appeal if ever na hindi pa nagre-reflect. Pero, ask natin yung support. So, reference number, hinihingi niya. So, F8400, oops, 8400, F00, and then 0, Z, 5120. Yan. So, that's the number. And, thank you. So, ayan guys. Aantayin na lang natin na mag-reflect nga to sa account natin. Something like 0.0106 yung halaga ng binili natin. Yan, completed na. Makikita nyo guys. So, order completed na. So, check natin yung support details. Ayan, your payment has been received. The asset BTC have been sent to your account, no? Check natin guys, yung account natin sa BTC. So, yeah, punta tayo sa ating BTC wallet. And, punta lang tayo dito sa fiat, no? Diyan yan magre-reflect kung hindi natin na-convert doon kanina sa dashboard ng order summary natin. And then, tap transfer lang. So, fiat to spot wallet, no? And then, tap max. No? So, lahat yan ang binili natin. Then, after that, confirm, transfer. So, success na. Makikita na natin yan dito sa ating spot. Ayan, makikita nyo guys, meron na tayong BTC. So, ayan. So, ganun lang kadali yung fiat to BTC. So, maganda dito, walang fees. At, ayan, makikita nyo, 0.016. Meron pa tayong, ayan, 99.61 in USD, no? Makikita natin, guys, na madaling transactions lang. Hopefully, na abangan nyo or nasundan nyo, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng ideas na rin kung paano nag-work itong transfers from fiat to BTC, buying BTC using fiat